I added garlic to the chicken and the result is amazing. For this recipe, we'll need 2 heads of garlic. I'll cut off the ends. Add some coarse salt on top, a little olive oil. Wrap with foil and bake in the oven at 180 degrees for 45 minutes. We'll also need 2 chicken thighs. I'll make cuts like this. Then I'm going to add those thighs to a pan. To continue, I'm going to remove the foil from the garlic that was in the oven, and I'm going to squeeze all the garlic cloves into a bowl. Enjoy and tell me where you're watching us from so I can thank you for following our recipes. Then I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half a lemon squeezed, and mix all these ingredients well. Now I'm going to pour this mixture little by little over our chicken with the help of a spoon and spread it well. And if you've watched this video so far, it's a sign that you're enjoying our recipe. So leave your like and write there, "I love chicken recipe." In the meantime, I'm going to cut 2 potatoes in a shell shape. And I'll season these potatoes with salt to taste, black pepper to taste, paprika to taste, oregano to taste, olive oil, and mix well. I'm going to add them to the pan next to our chicken. And to finish it off, I'm also going to slice 2 carrots. I'm going to put them in the pan, and I'm going to bake it all in the preheated oven at 180 degrees for 45 minutes. And now our recipe is ready, and you just have to enjoy it. Guys, this chicken's so easy to make and it's very delicious. I'm sure everyone will like the result. Be sure to make this recipe there in your house and come back to tell me how it was. We'd love to know. I hope you've enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching so far. See you in the next video. Bye!